सिंधु 2019 में वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनी थी, लेकिन उसके बाद से उनके प्रदर्शन में गिरावट जारी है। वो एक भी टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीत पाए हैं। अब उनको लेकर पूर्व बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ी दीपांकर भट्टाचार्य जी का कहना है कि वो अपने साउथ कोरियन कोच के ज्यादा अटैच हो, जिसने उन्हें वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप का टाइटल जीतने में मदद की। इंडिया से उनके जाने के बाद सिंधु थोड़ी अपसेट है, जो कि उनकी परफॉर्मेंस में दिखता भी है। तो मुझे विश्वास है कि जिस तरह का सिंधु के पास डिटर्मिनेशन है, जिस तरह की फिटनेस है, वो बिल्कुल वापसी करेगी।
Well, at the very high level of badminton, or for that matter any sport, to keep your peak performance for a longer duration is very difficult. So, a player's performance follows a particular trajectory. It gradually goes up and it reaches the peak, and then it goes down, and then they train and then come back for another tournament where they peak once again. So the timing of the tournament matters, and the importance given to that particular tournament by the player matters. So I feel that World Championship being the most important tournament, Sindhu gave it all for that tournament, and thereafter it is not possible for any sports person to keep up the same level of performance in subsequent tournaments. So we will see her bounce back sooner. Another aspect I would like to add here is that it is basically psychological. Probably she was she got very attached to her South Korean coach who helped her win the world title. So after her departure from India, probably Sindhu is a little upset, which may be showing in her performance. So I'm sure with the kind of determination and with the kind of fitness Sindhu has, she will definitely bounce back. Yes, there is. I think this kind of phase is there in most of the countries. If you look at China, at one point of time they had 3 or 4 very good players. During the London Olympics, they had I think 3 very good players at the top 10. And I think every country goes through that kind of a phase. So India probably is going through that kind of a phase where we have 2 superstars at the very high level, and definitely we have a bunch of youngsters who are going to make it big in the near future. So it is only a matter of time when the next group of players will take over, and I am sure Gopi is taking care of that.